What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we've got this 2024 Toyota RAV4 XLE Hybrid that we're going to go ahead and get an oil change done. So today's oil change, we'll be using a 0W16, which we've got right here. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna crack this baby open right here, and then we're gonna go underneath and drain the oil. All right, first thing we're gonna do is take this cover off here. This is gonna be a bunch of 10s. So there are 4 of them total. Then we're gonna set that to the side. And then if you notice right here, here is our oil drain plug. So we're gonna go ahead and take that out. All right, so right here's our drain plug. And if you look right up under here, that's our filter. So when we take the filter off, I'm gonna be using this right here. I'm gonna slide this up in here to make sure that no oil splashes anywhere and comes out nicely. So something like this. Yeah, something like that is the way we'll set that up. And we'll screw that out, let that drain out. Let this drain out, then we're ready for the refill. And this drain is going to be a 14 millimeter. And don't forget that after you've taken off your old drain plug crush washer, to go ahead and replace it with a new one by just simply inserting it over here. Now we are ready to reinstall this, and this is going to be torqued down to 30 foot-pounds. All right, next we're going to move on to the filter. Wow, that was tight. That was really tight. So there it is right there. You can see it's dripping down and not making a mess. So we're just gonna go ahead and screw this thing out, let the rest of the oil come out, and put on the new filter. All right, so as you can see, we're basically done with the drain process here. You can see this filter took a beating on the way out. Not sure why. The dealer had to tighten that thing so tight, but we got it off. It's all drained out. Everything's coming through nicely here. So now we're gonna go ahead and clean this thing up and get the new filter on. All right, so now we got our new filter, and all I did was put a little bit of fresh oil around here before reinstalling it. All right, so you can see here we've got this thing hand tightened real nice and tight. Everything looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our cover and pour in fresh oil. All right, now we're all wrapped up underneath. Let's go ahead up top to pour in the oil. All right, next we're gonna go ahead and pour in our 4.5 quarts of oil. So we're gonna go ahead and take our dipstick out here. I'm gonna get that cleaned up and ready to go so that when we are reading the level, we're looking for a reading coming up to the second dot here from the bottom. Okay, so with your cap open, ready to pour in, got your oil here in hand. This is a 5-quart container, so we should basically be somewhere about here when we're done pouring this oil. So continually check the level on the dipstick so you can see how much oil you've poured in. So you can see here we're checking the level there. We got a good bit more to go. All right, so we're about 4 quarts in. I'm gonna do a quick level check here. Or we can see that level's coming up. It's sitting right about there. So we can see, yep, we just need a little bit more oil. So according to the jug, close to about 1/2 quart more. You can see here we've checked our level, and if you look right there, you see that right there, we are right on the drop. I'm gonna show you one more time so you can see and make sure that you get this right, not to overfill with oil. So we're gonna dip it in. Let it fill up, pull it out, and then if we can get this quickly to focus here without it running down, You can see it right there. It is right where it needs to be. So our oil level is good to go. And we're going to go ahead and close this up. So the last thing that's left to do here is now to reset the maintenance light. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm using this control section right here on the steering wheel. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to navigate over to this menu here. Then we're going to go down to vehicle settings. We're going to hold it down, and we're going to come down here to scheduled maintenance. We're going to hold that down. We're going to go up, hit reset data. Yes, reset has been complete. All right, so that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process of doing the oil change on this 2024 Toyota RAV4 XLE Hybrid. It's a wrap. We're done. It's your boy BT. Thank you for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.